Once there was four brothers and a cousin. The first one, the strongest one, was the stable one. He carried all the weight of the farm on its back. The second one, also the stable one, helped with the daily chores and was gaining the momentum of the first one. But the third brother, the BNB crops farmer, was not the stable one, but oh boy, did he make some noise. He was a little different, but in a good way. Today we are discussing the BNB crops farmer. We already discussed the previous two, and if you don't know what this is, what I'm talking about, then this video is for you, because I will make an introduction. It's not a new one, but it's certainly the one you should keep an eye on. So if you're new to the game and want to know the difference between the BNB crops farmer and the previous two, keep watching and welcome to the BNB crops farmer. Thank you for still being a part of this video. I won't let you down. High grow harvest. Yes, that's the motto. This is the BUSD crops farmer. And in today's video I will just show you the main differences between this one and the BNB crops farmer. The BUSD, of course, is farming BUSD. It's a stable miner. And if you haven't, absolutely check out my two previous videos on the BUSD and USDC versions. And if you want to enter in any of them, in the description I'll leave a link, my referral link of course, so that you could also participate in mining these coins. I'm showing you the screen so that you remember what the BUSD crops farmer is offering. It's 8% daily, 2920% APR. So memorize it, because that's the main difference between the ones that we are discussing today. 8% referral bonus, 4% higher bonus, 12 hours compound timer, 4 hours withdrawal cooldown, 48 hours rewards accumulation cutoff, 10 times mandatory compound feature, and 80% feedback tax for early withdrawals. I believe is the same as the BNB one. So this is the main farmer. But now back to the topic of this video, which is of course, as I already said, the BNB crops farmer. Oh, look at those butterflies. He really is living the life, right? He's luring you. Join me. It's beautiful out here in the wild. In the crops farm. Yeah. So not to bore you through that, what is the BNB crops farmer? What makes it different from other platforms? How does this platform work? And what is the recommended strategy you got on this site? Frequently asked questions answered. So read it, or even better, watch one more time. I'm stating in my BUSD crops farmer. In there I made a little longer video detailing what it is, how it works, and all of those questions answered quickly, saying it's a miner, it's a game. You are harvesting with your farmers and you are trying to accumulate more and more farmers, because they will give you yields for the future. Okay, as I said, I don't want to make this too long. Watch the previous two for quick explanations. But now the differences, and here there are on this benefits. Remember what BUSD was offering, 8% daily. BNB is offering 6% daily, 2190% APR. Why they did this? Because of sustainability and longevity. If people are taking too much profits, the project will last shorter. So this is pushing us into the future and giving us a few more months. I mean, I don't know how much this project would last. It could last many months. We'll see. I think it's a great project. That's why I'm talking about it. That's why I'm giving you those referral links in the description of this video to become an investor. But remember, all of those farms are high risks. Act accordingly. 2% compound bonus. That's the main difference. On the BUSD you are getting 4% compound bonus. One more time. Sustainability. Referrals 7%. Again, lowering the levels. Keep it steady. Let's not the greed destroy everything we are building here. Everything else is, I believe, the same. 12 hours compound timer, 4 hours withdrawal cooldown, 48 hours rewards accumulation cutoff, 10 times mandatory compound feature, 80% feedback tax for early withdrawals, and even anti-bot launch. All signature of the team of the crops farmers. You will act and watch your yields rising or falling at the farmer dashboard. Here you can see initial deposit, total deposit, withdrawn BNBs, and referrals if you're using it. First time you come playing the game, this is what you will see. By depositing X number of BNBs, you will hire X number of farmers that will work with you and for you tirelessly. Here you will see how many farmers you get, and those farmers will give you those numbers of BNBs. This part I like the most. You can estimate how much per day you are earning in BNBs, of course. How many times you compounded. This is where you will click for selling the crops. Don't be stupid and sell with 80% tax. Sell always taxless. This button is the one you will push the most if you are smart, because here you will hire more farmers and your bonus amount will grow. So after researching the matter, after joining the Telegram group, which is awesome, I'm part of it, there you can find many informations, watching this video. After that, decide, will you come into this project? FYI, I'm in every project of the Crops Farmer, therefore I'm suggesting it. In the description there are referral links for every and each one of them. I'm using them, otherwise I wouldn't be referring to you. There is still some money to be made. If you use my referral link, you will support this channel, because I'm getting a small cut. The point is, if you don't know what to do with your BNBs, well, this is the time when you could be asking yourself, could I make more BNBs with the BNBs I'm having and they're not doing absolutely nothing? Yes, you could. This is the app. This is the DApp. The slogan is hire, grow, harvest, as they're saying it. A smart and sustainable way to grow your BNB on the Binance Smart Chain. And if you want to know what I said regarding the USDC Crops Farmer, watch this video. Click here, yeah, right here. See the differences. Maybe this one is not for you, maybe the USDC one is the one you're searching for. Many thanks, watch it later.